NINIkids.
Baby whale, why are you crying? Oh my, you lost your mom. Don't worry, I'll find your mom. Let's listen to the baby whale's explanation and draw a montage of the mother whale. Let's draw the mother whale's appearance. Mom's whale is blue. Where's the blue one? Purple, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. I found it, blue. Great. What hairpin was the mother whale wearing? Mother whale was wearing a blue ribbon pin. Let's find the mother whale's glasses. The mother whale was wearing heart-shaped glasses. Great! The mother whale's montage is complete. Let's find the mother whale based on the completed montage. I found the mother whale. The animal we're introducing today is the blue whale. The blue whale is the biggest animal in the history of the planet. It's more than twice as big as a tyrannosaurus. Unlike his large size, he lives on very small krill. They live in the sea all over the world in search of this shrimp. The average lifespan of blue whales is over 80 years, but they can live for up to 100 years. Isn't that amazing? The giant whale is a wonderful sea animal. Thank you for finding the mother whale together. Let's meet again next time.